Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Your Shopping Guide. So I am unboxing my mini tripod. It's Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod, and I got it from Amazon for about 379 rupees. So there's the box. You do not get anything inside the box. It's just the mini tripod that you get. So that's the basics, Amazon Basics cover, just some description and nothing else. Just that. Let's keep it aside. Now coming to the tripod, it's quite sturdy and it's compact. It feels good in hand, so it's good for personal use. You can use it in self-recording. You can easily use it. Its arm is quite strong. You have rubbers at the bottom so that it won't slip. A rubber grip, quite basic, but it's a quality stuff from Amazon. So it's really good. There you have that. You can fix a phone, a mobile phone. You need to get a mobile phone holder for that, a tripod and DSLR. It will automatically have that adjustment, and you can use your action camera or DSLR on that. So it's quite basic, but it's good, and you can adjust according to the angle, and you can use it. So quite basic and a nice one. It's 8 inches height, about 8 inches height when you keep it standing. So that's good. So it's a good one and it stands well. So that's it for now. Thank you and have a very good day. Thank you.